Ndi mmadụ shena to be a celebrity in the world I know today too difficult. But I will tell you that to be a celebrity in today's world I know is the easiest thing any man can do or any woman can do. Yes, for you to be a celebrity within a twinkling of an eye, you need really feel a golemish. Do completely and totally shameless. Do as irresponsible as you can be. In fact, we will do everything that the society has preached against. Do it with perfection. Do the wrong things with perfection. Then you will, I can assure you, you will be a celebrity in Nigeria of today. Bad things and evil things will even pay. It pays now to be irresponsible more than being responsible. Yes, all thanks to Facebook. All thanks to Facebook. Because before Facebook, onye mere ife ụwa na-achọ. Onye ndị mmadụ na-project gido ndị mmadụ amaria. But today, people celebrate you more when you do the most awkward and odd things. Let us begin to look at people like Bobrisky, James Brown. Bobrisky, James Brown. Those people mere ife ụwa na-asọ nsọ. Ife asịrị onye ga-eme ha merie. Ụfọdụ wokwu ha sịrị a na-asụ anya ka ha na-egwuo opushu ha to fame. Otu amụ alamala alakwa nka ala nka alachi ile otu eme nka. Ịghọtago ife onye ahụ. So we live in a world where alụ na-akwụzi ụgwọ. That is why if you want to blow, if you want to be popular, do the most awkward things. Yes, the world today doesn't celebrate good people. That is why good people which when they perish, some of them are languishing in abject poverty. The people who actually have the talent that the world should be learning from. The people who actually have the talent to inspire the world. The people who actually have the talent to prepare the next generation are languishing in abject poverty because ignorance, immorality, irresponsibility has taken over the world. I cannot question the reason why the church were not constantly under attack. That is the only thing. That is the only thing. Let me not even say the church. Religion. No, the only thing can uphold the simplest of the core human value. That is the only thing follow can uphold a little atom of responsibility in our society. It is still the very essence thing cannot now fight against irresponsibility, now uphold good moral. But the church now is constantly under attack. The end time prophecy is beginning to come true. They are beginning to come true. Yet, ọ bụrụ na mmadụ nwere ike ịpụta in this time na-anụsa akwụkwọ dụka Bible ọgụ na-adọka akwụkwọ dụka Bible o gosighị that every single institution, body or things are capable of upholding the remaining value, morality for n'isi ndị mmadụ is constantly under attack in these last days. Bible del everything do good ihe eme, de everything do bad ihe eme. Use a lot of akụkọ, use a lot of adages, ilu proverb, yeah, we kuzie lugu the end reward of ife ọjọọ and how the people may refer as we powerful. Mmadụ sịrị no if we put in a time like this when the world is rolling over itself. When the world is swimming in ignorant immorality, irresponsibility is beginning to take over. Somebody will put out today, we say no church and the Bible we for ye been up against. Let me tell you, with the way people are celebrating evil and their responsibility these days, oblo na church na buy today. Mmadu ye egbu nne je blue belt na laka enye ya word. Mmadu ye egbu nna ye enye ya word. Mmadu ye egbu nwanne enye ya word. there will be a time these things will be celebrated. Indirectly, are they not celebrating it? You want to go everything on a man made before and they say so and a mezina open today and people will be clapping. Everything on a banner made before and they say so and a mezina open today and people are clapping. That is the world we are living in now. That is the world we are living in now. I remember those days Yahoo na-eme mmadụ na-eme Yahoo ịpụta n'ihu ndị mmadụ kpọọ ya nwanne n'iwu onye wayo onye Yahoo niile egwu wayo ọjụ nụsaghị ọgụ bamba show off ife wey na camouflage. But these days people are going into Yahoo as their main business. They are going into Yahoo as their main, in fact, with the full chest, well prepared. It is no more. That's the season I know when you the mother keta. Mother say I'm a Yahoo boy. One I'm a picker. I am an Azaman and I advertise here. Okwan ejibwe when I'm weku. Kone meze abalo a glass of wine keta and a we na celebrate. I draw come against it for one in. But what I am saying is that now some of those things, ndosha mechari ife, where English word na po secret open. Ndi Igbo nwe ife nzuzo na ife mkpughe na ife melu n'ihu mmadụ niile nwe nke a na-eme n'abalị nwe nke a na-eme n'ụtụtụ. They are not dumb. Even your ancestors melu ka onwe ife nzuzo ife mkpuchi. Yes. Onwere ụfọdụ ife ịma na ọdụ necessary n'ihe eme in order to cross water, in order to cross over to the other side. You do it in the secret. It will be a secret to you. You don't need to do it in the open. Corally inspire the next person into it. Ishi and if I email you the morally right, let it be between you and your conscience to battle. That particular value, it disappear go. Now, parents are even encouraging their children to go into Ewapuna, to go into runs, to go into Yahoo. Nwatakịrị do 17 years, ye blue motor and 30 million, but I've been now in a celebrity. Gone are those days, Yahoo, your father or your mother for Aqua Honya Gotalogo, a question wogo, after 1,000 or 5,000 Naka, a question wogo. This way without the money. Oga haye to Katarugi every day can toga. You do a lot of things with a little bit of ahambakasia for the year enjoys the eben nemefa nezezo kelisie ekusia. Obro today. Now a lot of things. That is why OGMM for a lot of people do poor today. A lot of people can do normal and not struggle. Adame blame Shaha. Adame Yukusha na had lazy or na had useless because the manner of things had to on down to still remain in that position or in that state in that status. They turned a lot of things down in the world we are living in today. But now, how can you be advising your child whereas now the world na celebrate that way also, I have decided to take away some kind of blame from parents where you say that this is bad parenting, that the parents has failed that child. No, it wasn't in 80% Abro parents failed that child. It is the society that has failed that child. Because now the parents try everything do possible. Can have what the child that this is not the way. But the child for the society they celebrate in there, name that thing. Yes. How? Keka this child yes we got that. Now this thing I believe never be feduma. This is a society. This is the world where a man will win the best female dressed in an occasion. This is a world where people celebrate Yahoo boys more than actually hardworking men. This is a world where criminals and a lot of irresponsible lifestyle is being glorified. What do you expect? What do you expect? They are even shifting people's attention to the ordinary, from ordinary to extraordinary. Immorality is being celebrated in today. That is why the easiest way to give certificate to an irresponsibility is by terming it celebrity. You celebrate nonsense. Ofodu musicians I know today are not even, some talents are languishing, dying, wasting, because the world doesn't value true and real talent. They celebrate nonsense. That is why some people do talented in music, in dancing, in singing, in doing so many things, are wallowing in abject poverty. Their talent equal shine simply because the society I'm with today will quickly pick the irresponsible ones. Yes, I'm telling you for truth. Most of the musicians say grow to fame today. Yes. When they not do nonsense, no, follow the lyrics of their music. You cannot learn anything. They are talking nyanyampo. The actual people who are talented in music, who can pass a message, who can inspire you through their music. How we blow doka camel ega in the eye of the needle. Yes. The real relationship expert. Eh? The real inspiration. They cannot blow. You cannot know them. Go and look at somebody like Blessing CEO Nandotwe. They will quickly rise to fame because how can a divorced woman, how can a woman who is not in marriage be advising ladies who are still living with their husband? What do you think the end will be? It is to go. Leave that marriage, leave that marriage, leave that marriage. Because she will always use herself to speak to you. That is the world we live in. That is the world we live in. Instead of learning from people's experiences, we are busy learning their mistakes. That is the world we are living in today. It is not hard to be a celebrity today. It is only you who wants to live a responsible lifestyle. Yes, people don't, if the moment you don't bother about what the society say, the moment you don't bother about what the society think, the moment you don't bother about what your family will think, what your parents will think, you are on the highway of becoming a celebrity. You are on the highway of becoming famous for people to see you. We will still celebrate more evil in this land dying on earth today. Today, when our Christian faith, our religious faith should be upheld more, because it is the only thing that is fighting against this virus that is eating us up. It is the same thing that is still giving people conscience. It is the reason why people can still sit and reflect. It is the only thing why the parents say today, for the worship the reason why that is the only thing that is still speaking to their conscience. On boss on television yes. And the real Omenala of our people now uphold the true cultural value of Igbo people. One name and all those things. And not nke cha bulu bulu a na-ebupụtara anyị n'ihu akwụkwọ. Ndị amahọdụ na-alụ ụwa alụ. Ndị amahọ na-alụ ụwa alụ. I will stop it here. But I will release another video on this particular issue. They should jump and pass. I know we don't like, just like I said, true things don't even thrive. Or they're trendy. Or they're trendy. Manaji, oh no, amunoto, even kule baketa. Uwoputo, nancho iri is no do some mado. If madu ni na balo ane share this video because not very, 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 very necessary and important. Now, we'll show. Eh? Tarukun.